stain on your jacket.
This.
It's nothing compared to what you've done.
Look what you've done, you clumsy fool!
Oh, I don't feel so good. Just try and breathe slowly.
Yes, I need an ambulance immediately. It's happening too fast.
Breathe slowly, darling. You're almost there.
This isn't good. Their blood pressure is dropping too fast.
Hang in there, just a little longer.
The babies are coming. We have to go faster. Move, move, move.
Everything is proceeding smoothly, Mr. Whiskers. Both mothers are resting comfortably, and the kits should arrive soon.
Aren't they just perfect? Welcome home, my little ones.
Sit down!
If we analyze the data visualization here, the upward trend is undeniable. This positions us as the market leader moving into the next fiscal year.
This is unacceptable. Look at the mess you've made of everything. I want an explanation now.
How dare you accuse me? You know...
Will you spend the rest of your life with me? Mayday! Mayday! We're hit! The core is...
Status report. What is happening? We've lost the...
No.